Hi, my name is Miss Jackie Johansson, and I'm the biology and life science teacher here at Julian Charter School. I'm so excited to welcome you into the class, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. I am the mom of 5 kids, and I love the outdoors. Ever since I was younger, I really enjoyed the outdoors, and I think that kind of played into why I became a science teacher. 2 years ago, I got to go research in the Sea of Cortez, and I got to research whale sharks and document where they are going so that other people from around the world can find the same whale shark and find out if they are moving around to different breeding areas and places to have their babies. This spring, I got to go to the Middle East and I got to study archaeology there. And I did not think that I would be that interested in things of the past, but I actually really enjoyed myself. And I think that I might end up going back to the Middle East at some point. I really had a good time studying archaeology, and I didn't know that I ever would. This summer, I got to study in Australia, and I lived with the Australian government in their government-run aquarium. And from there, we did different things, like we helped over to the right replant and regrow a wetland that the Aborigines bought and started again, and I got to work with different animals. That was really fun. But the best part was that on most days we got to go out to the Great Barrier Reef and do reef health assessment surveys for the government to check in on their reef. And I'll be talking with you in class about some of the things that I learned and different research methods that we employed. I like to take you guys to do some real life science too. So every year I take my students we've been doing this for over 10 years now, to Catalina Island. This is a free field trip for you as the student, and there we do all kinds of labs and dives, and we play games and we have a lot of fun. This is for students only and not for their families, but you do get 5 lab credits for going. So throughout the year, you're going to have to do 10 total labs for me. And any 5 labs that you don't want to do can be replaced with the Catalina field trip. And I will talk to you about that more in class. You can get 2 credits for going with me to Safari Park. When I was in high school, your age, I worked for the Safari Park, and I've maintained my relationship with them over the years. And we actually go to the Beckman Center, which is the largest animal research facility in the world, and we do different labs there. And you can get 2 lab credits each time you go with me, and we usually go twice. They save urine from their elephants so we can do elephant pregnancy tests, and they also get DNA from their condors so that we can replicate it and isolate parts of DNA, called PCR. For your grades in the class, make sure that you're always checking the grades tab in Canvas often. Remember that hand-graded assignments like labs or papers that you write are going to take me a few days to get them graded. So please give me at least 3 business days before you email me about them. Some kids turn it in on Friday night and they're already emailing over the weekend asking me when I'm going to have it graded. I probably won't have it graded till Monday or Tuesday, but hang in there, and if I take longer than that, please send me an email. Also, make sure you read the comments about your grades so that you know why you got the grade that you did. I think that'll help you to learn for the next assignment. And then the final exam, we always have a review session every year that goes over 2/3 of the questions and the answers on the final exam. Please check the calendar and make sure you come to this session so that you can get a lot of the questions and answers for the final. And how to contact me. This is my email address. It's just the first initial of my first name and then my last name. Notice that Johansson is spelled with an E-N and not an O-N, at juliancharterschool.org. Or you can contact me through Canvas. There's an inbox to the lower left, or you can call me by phone. I'm so excited to get to know you all and to learn more about you. Take care. Meet you soon.